If we lost everything today, no money, no connection, no resources, this is exactly how we'd start from scratch and build a business fast. Most people get stuck overthinking how to start a business. They chase shiny online trends, listen to millionaire advice that doesn't apply to them, and waste time on things that don't make money. But in this 4-part series, we're giving you a complete roadmap from zero to income, a real no BS approach to making money fast and building something real and sustainable. And it all starts with finding money you already have. Because before you try to make more, you need to stop the leaks. So today in part 1, you're going to learn how to find hidden money you already have, free up more of your cash, and get you in the right position to start earning immediately. Hey, we're Sarah and Paul. Over the past decade, we've worked for ourselves. No bosses, no 9 to 5, taking full control of our time, income, and freedom. And for the last 8 years, we've taken that freedom to the next level, traveling the world with our kids and pets while running our business from anywhere. But we didn't start out knowing how to do this. We made the mistakes. We learned the hard way. And now we help people like you take control, break free, and start making money on your terms.
And today, we're breaking down exactly how to free up cash immediately, even if you think you have none. You'll uncover hidden money, cut unnecessary expenses, and start generating fast cash to set yourself up for success. By the end of this video, you'll have more money in your pocket and a clear plan for your next move. So let's get into it. Step 1, it's all about finding more money with what you already have. If we lost everything today and had to start over from zero, the very first thing we would do to find more money without earning a single extra dollar, here's how. We would track every dollar that comes in and goes out. Before making more money, you've got to stop the financial leaks. You have no idea how much money is going out and you're burning through if you don't track it. You're going to want to write down every single dollar that comes in and everything that goes out. You're going to eliminate anything that isn't a must. If it's really not an essential, food, lights, heat, it's gone.
So the second thing you're going to do is cut, cancel, and renegotiate. You want to cancel any unnecessary subscriptions, streaming services, extra apps, memberships you don't use, and you're going to renegotiate your essential bills. You're going to call your cell phone provider, your insurance companies, or banks and ask for better rates. Most companies will offer discounts if you ask, or if you threaten to go to another company. I've done this so many times. And this step alone can free up hundreds of dollars instantly. For example,
just recently, our phone bill, we've cut it over, half of it's gone. So you just starting off with your simple like services that you use every day. If your account's paid up and good to go, it's nothing to call up and threaten to cancel and leave. And if they don't offer you a better one, ask to talk for retentions, because if they don't give you something there, it's so easy to go to the next company.
Yeah, the trick is you got to move up the ladder. You can't negotiate so much with the first person you're going to get. You got to go through the process with them. And then it's like, yeah, I need the next person up. And you move on from there. And this is kind of a skill that you can learn, but you can learn how to do this. Our recent phone bill, we were literally, when we came to Mexico, we were paying $200 a month. We had a Canada US plan, and we wanted to have a Canada, US, Mexico plan. So we could have paid more than the $200, or we got a Canada, Mexico, US plan for literally $50 with the taxes. It's $150 a month gone. So I want to tell you too, this process should never end. You should be doing this process at least twice a year, if not quarterly. So that, because it's so easy to forget what services you have. Oh, it's on the credit card. you forget things. This should be in line. And initially, I mean, really, you want to be tracking every single dollar every single month. I know exactly what comes in, exactly what comes out. And I am always looking to renegotiate our services.
Next, you're going to want to sell what you don't need. Look around. Like, what can you sell today? Clothes, electronics, old furniture, tools, gift cards. Heck, are your vehicle payments costing you way more money than you really need them to be? You can use Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Craigslist, or OfferUp to turn clutter into fast cash. Just start clearing things out. Not only does this put immediate money in your pocket, but it also clears up space for a fresh start. We did this a while back. When we first started our adventures, we sold our house and we put everything into storage. And a couple of years back, we returned home to look at it all and go, we don't need any of this anymore.
Actually, I want to say we sold a whole lot and gave away a whole lot before we'd even left the house. And what we had left was what we put into storage. But throughout the entire process of like you come across things that you had no idea you had. You have no need for it, but someone else does. And you can literally be making a couple $100 a week just by doing this. And then yes, we put all of this in a storage unit. 2 years later, we turned back home and went through it, and we still sold over a couple grand out of that because it was like, we don't need any of this. Why do we even have it?
Right.
So you're actually going to be shocked at how much money you can make. You can cut all these unnecessary expenses and you can start selling your stuff. So you're like putting that much more money in your pocket without even going out to earn extra money right now. So the next thing you can do is offer a skill or service immediately. Do you want to take the skills, knowledge, or experience you already have and turn it into cash? And think about easy, beginner friendly ideas. What you're doing now to make money is not your end game. It's not this, I need to be in business. That's got to be the, no, right? Do you like pets? Go dog walking, pet sitting, right? You can house sit, babysit if you like kids. Maybe leave that one aside and stick to pets. Freelance your simple skills. Think writing, data entry, social media help. If you are good at office administration, boy, the world is your oyster. Okay. You can help people move. You can organize their homes, organize their offices. You have no idea how many people need help with just simple organizational skills if that happens to be one of your strengths. You can do basic tech help. Maybe you're really good with tech. So many people need help setting up their phones or computers, smart devices. The list is literally never ending. The key is to start with what you already know and what you can do today. So get out a pen and paper, start making a list. What are all of the things that you can do?
By doing these steps, you're already ahead. You've freed up cash, you've made some quick money, and now we have a way to earn without needing a job or a huge investment. Now, making this quick cash is great and all, but this is not the end game. What you're doing right now, it's just about getting yourself in the game. Start moving, earning, and building momentum. You want to clear the clutter, you want to free up the cash, and you want to go forward. In part 3, we're going to get into what is a real game changer. We're going to show you why everything you've been told about starting a business is completely wrong. If you've been thinking about jumping into online business, following millionaire advice, or picking up the perfect opportunity, you might be setting yourself up for failure before you even start. We'll break it all down in part 3, and trust me, you won't want to miss it.
But before we get there, in part 2, we need to tackle biggest thing keeping you broke. And most people are staying stuck, not because they lack opportunities, but because they're waiting for some magic sign to tell them that they're ready. Meanwhile, somebody else is already making the money just by taking action. So in part 2, we're going to show you exactly how to break out of that trap and start earning even more money immediately. You're going to learn how to spot real world, fast money opportunities that put cash in your pocket this week, not months from now. So if you're serious about changing your situation, then you can't afford to miss part two. If it's already out, you're going to see it linked here and you can go and watch it now. And if not, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it when it drops.
So drop a comment below and let us know, what's your first move? Are you going to start selling stuff? Are you going to put some simple skills out? Are you calling that phone company to get rid of those overpriced services? If you have any questions, ask away. We're here to help. Drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications, because you do not want to miss part two when it drops. Your first step towards a life on your terms and putting real, and I mean real, cash in the bank starts now by taking action. What we teach, it's not just about escaping the grind. It's about designing the life you want to live, because there is no one way to do this life. There's just your life, your way. See you in part two.